Hey guys, welcome back to Shade of Ash. I'm so happy to have you guys back. We're so happy to be in front of this camera again. You know, it's been a little while since I posted on YouTube and on Instagram, and I know beginning of the year when I started all of this, my goal was to be consistent. You know, to find something I love and be consistent with it. But there's been a pause for about a few months just because, you know, I've been going through some things. You know, life happens, but I'm back and I want to continue posting. So thanks guys for sticking around. I thought, you know, hey, I'm not posting, I'm going to lose subscribers. No, honestly, either you guys are too lazy to unsubscribe or you guys are actually looking forward to you know, content. So I am going to post more content and I'm looking forward to you guys telling me what you guys want to see. Do you want to see more DIYs? Do you want to see more home design? Whatever, let me know. But yeah guys, life has happened and I've been away. But I really find joy in doing this, so I'm going to definitely keep posting. So what have I been up to? I have been working. I have not, honestly, I haven't been doing too much. I've been working and have been trying to get my life into like a steady pace. That's what I've been doing, is working and trying to get a steady pace on life, you know. But I really want to go back to my extracurricular activities like DIYs, home decor, all that good stuff that I love to do. I am actually doing photography now. So as a hobby, not professionally, but I've booked my first wedding, guys, and I'm super excited. Like, I'm super excited. I'm a little official, you know, I got a contract, I have all that, and it's just really exciting because, you know, it started off as something that I wanted to do on the side, you know, just like my DIYs and my decors and, you know, videos. I wanted to do photography on the side because I really enjoyed it. You know, I used to work at Sears and JCPenney's as a photographer back in the days, and I wanted to get into landscape photography just because I love nature. You know, I wanted to get into that, and then I was doing people all of a sudden, and now I'm booking my first wedding, and I'm nervous and I'm excited at the same time, but I love keeping busy and I love doing things that I love to do. So the goal this year, 2018, was to do things that I've always wanted to do, but have been, you know, too shy or too afraid or too like, what if this doesn't work, you know, to do. So that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to work towards that. It's been a little bumps in the road, it's been bumps, but you know what? Knock me down 9 times, get back up 10 times. Who said that? Cardi B or somebody? But yeah guys, I just wanted to come back on here to say I'm back. Let me know what you guys want to see. I've missed you guys. Thank you for staying subscribed. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys kind of like I'm not done with my office. I'm done painting and I've gotten my little desk together. So I just want to show you guys that. But I'm not done with the office. I have so much more ideas and plans. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you a little clip of the office.